This product is becoming a fever among housewives. Here's what you were looking for. Stay with me until the end of the video, you will be surprised. Before teaching you, tell me below the city where you are watching this video. To start, put 1 whole lemon cut in half, 400 milliliters of water, 1 spoon of salt and 3 spoons of alcohol 70 into the blender. It has to be the 70%, okay, guys? Also add 4 tablespoons of alcohol vinegar. Vinegar is both germicidal and bactericidal. It helps to clean any surface you add it to. Let's beat this all up really well. After this recipe, you will never throw away lemon zest again. Now that we've beaten it, in a bowl, I'm going to put a sieve here. Let's sift through all this, because we're only going to need the liquid. Next, I'm going to put here 1 spoon of our powder. That's the last ingredient. Mix very well until the chemical reaction takes place. This chemical reaction happens because of the mixture of soap powder with lemon. Now let's put it inside a bottle, with the help of a funnel. This mixture is very efficient for cleaning the floor, bathroom, countertop. You will see how good it is there in your house. You can use it on the bench. Apply the mixture, pass the cloth to spread and wait for 5 minutes. It will clean your countertop and scare away all the mosquitoes and flies that stay in your kitchen. The bathroom is where we use it the most. And let it act for about 5 minutes. Then you scrub with the help of the toilet brush. After 5 minutes, just flush. Guys, our reflection for today is in Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through him who strengthens me. This verse is often used as a motivation to achieve great goals, but it has a much deeper meaning. The Apostle Paul talks about how he learned to be content with God in all circumstances. In joy and in sorrow, in strength and in weakness, in comfort and in pain, his strength to carry on was in God. In every moment of life, whether good or bad, Jesus is our strength. Thanks for his company. Until the next video. Goodbye.